my pillow and let me play in your ear. Let me unlock your secrets, whether it's truth or dare.